Hello everyone. Today we will be taking the important topic from trigonometry. The main concept of this chapter, that is the concept of the degrees, or we can say the value, how to find out the trigonometric ratios of the given degrees. In our 10th class, we did the value up to 90 degree. Now, in 11th class, we will see that any degree we can able to find out the value of. Okay. Now, this, if we will talk about the quadrant, this is 0 degree. Okay. So, this is pi by 2 or 90 degree. This is pi or 180 degree. And what about this degree? This degree is 3 pi by 2 or 270 degree, isn't it? 3 pi by 2 or 270 degree. आप इसको find out कर सकते हैं. And again, if we will come over here, 0 degree, or it should be 360 degree or 2 pi. Now, in 10th class, we did the concept up to 90 degree. अब हम इसमें we can find out the value of anyone, any degree we can find out. अब उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है, जैसे हमने 10th में कुछ याद करने की कोशिश की थी, same way here we will learn add sugar to coffee. Means आप ये याद रखेंगे, add sugar to coffee. ठीक है. Add means in first quadrant all positive. Now you will go anti-clockwise. S means sign positive, sign, or converse of this cosec positive. T means tan or cot, converse positive. C means cos or converse of this sec positive. What does it mean? Add sugar to coffee. All positive means all the trigonometric ratios. 6 trigonometric ratios are there. So if that degree come in this quadrant, in first quadrant, then all of them are positive. All the trigonometric ratios are positive. In second quadrant, this is your first quadrant. In second quadrant, if a sine theta or cosec theta lies, we will discuss the concept later on, then that will be positive, and the remaining trigonometric ratios means cos theta, tan theta, and its converse will be negative. If the value or the degree lies in the third quadrant, then tan theta or the cot theta will be positive, and the remaining all the trigonometric ratios like sine, cosec, and its converse will be negative. And in fourth quadrant, if degree lies in fourth quadrant or the radian lies in fourth quadrant, then cos or sec theta value will be positive, and all the remaining one will be negative. Okay. Before we will proceed further, हमने 10th क्लास में किया था the conversion 90 degree plus theta. तो हमने क्या किया था, if it is cos 90 degree plus theta, then it converted into cos converted into sine or its converse. Same way tan 90 plus theta, it converted into cot. अब हम यहां पर क्या सीखेंगे, that if the degree is 90 degree or 270 degree. 90 degree if it is, or 270 degree. इस डिग्री पर there will be change. Change means sin cos में, cos sin में, tan cot and cot tan, and cosec sec and sec cosec. It will change. And if the degree is 180 degree or if it is 360 degree, then there will be no change. ये आपको याद रखना है. There will be no change. ठीक है? Means no change means that sine will remain as sine, cos will remain as cos. Okay, all the trigonometric ratios will remain as same. Now, we will go for the concept with the following examples. देखिए, first one, sine 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 3. It means क्या हुआ? Sine 270 degree plus 30 degree. 270 degree plus 30 degree. तो सबसे पहले हमें ये देखना है that this part lies in which quadrant. 270 डिग्री प्लस 30 डिग्री मतलब 270 डिग्री में हमने कुछ डिग्री ऐड कर दिया है. सो दिस इज 270 डिग्री, ओके, प्लस 30 डिग्री. सो इन विच क्वाड्रेंट इट विल लाई? 270 डिग्री प्लस आप कर रहे हैं तो प्लस कर रहे हैं, इट विल कम इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. सबसे पहले आपको ये देखना है दैट इट लाइज इन विच क्वाड्रेंट. तो ये आपका फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में लाई कर रहा है. ठीक है? नाउ यू हैव टू सी इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट कॉस और सेक इज पॉजिटिव और ये क्या है? साइन. तो सिंस द वैल्यू लाइज इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट, खाली कॉस और sec will be positive and the remaining will be negative, and here it is sin. तो सबसे पहले हम नेगेटिव साइन लगा देंगे. ओके, अब हम देखते हैं साइन 270 प्लस 30 डिग्री. 270 प्लस 30 डिग्री. देखिए 270 में क्या हो रहा है? एज आई हैव टोल्ड इट, चेंज हो जाएगा. सो साइन विल गेट चेंज इनटू कॉस. ओके, so पहले what we did, first of all we have seen it in which quadrant it lies. Since in this it lies in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant this is positive, so the remaining trigonometric terms sine will be negative. ठीक है? Now we have to see क्या ये वो 90 डिग्री 270 है और it is 180 डिग्री और 360 डिग्री. Here it is, if you will see, this is 270 डिग्री प्लस 30. 270 डिग्री है, फर्स्ट डिग्री आप देखेंगे. सो इन 270 डिग्री इट विल गेट चेंज. सो साइन विल गेट चेंज इनटू कॉस और दिस इज थीटा. सो कॉस पाई बाय 6. नाउ यू कैन पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ कॉस पाई बाय 6. ओके, लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट फर्दर. नाउ second part. In second part, in second example, look, sine 270 degree minus 30 degree. Now again we have to see in which quadrant it lies. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे 270 degree minus 30 degree. देखिए this is 270 degree, okay, minus 30 degree. So minus 30 degree means it lies in third quadrant. So this solution will lie in third quadrant. Okay, now in third quadrant आपको क्या देखना है? tan and cot is positive. Tan and cot is positive and the remaining one will be negative. Here it is sine, तो ये negative हो जाएगा. Okay, again 270 minus 30 degree. 270 है, so 270 degree will get change into, tell me, 270 डिग्री अब किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? इट विल गेट चेंज, सो इट विल बी माइनस कॉस 30 degree. Okay. Now, come to the next one. Now, in third example, this is cos 2 pi minus pi by 3. 2 pi means 360 degree. 360 minus 60 degree. तो 360 degree minus 60 degree. So, in which quadrant lie? सबसे पहले हमें ये देखना है. So, 360 degree minus pi by 3 lies in fourth quadrant. तो fourth quadrant में lie कर रहा है. And in fourth quadrant, cos is positive. ये trigonometric term देखना है. Cos is positive. So, we will put the positive sign. Now, we will see. Since it is 360 minus theta, 360. In 360, there will be no change. So, 360, the cos will remain as cos. So, it will be cos theta pi by 3. सबसे पहले हमें ये देखना है in which quadrant it lies, and then accordingly we will put the positive or negative sign. Then we will see whether it is 90 or 270 or 180 or 360. Accordingly, we will do the changes. Now, next example. In next example, cos 360 plus pi by 3. So, 360 plus 60 degree. So, 360 plus 60 degree. It will lie in first quadrant. First quadrant. Now we will see in first quadrant all positive. So this will be positive. No need to write the positive sign if you want. Now 360 plus pi by 3. So 360 plus pi by 3, there will be no change. So cos will remain as cos. Okay. Come to the next example. In next example, it is tan 90 plus theta. Tan 90 plus theta. So 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta. So what does it mean? 90 degree plus theta. So it will lie in second quadrant. Second quadrant. Now second quadrant, sine and cosec positive and all of them negative. And it is tan. So it will be negative. अब देखना है 90 degree. 90 degree on 90 degree it will get changed. So tan will change in cot and this is 30 degree. Are you getting it? Okay. Cosec. Cosec 90 minus theta. This you did it in your 10th class also. 90 minus theta. So it will lie in first quadrant. So in first quadrant all positive. All positive, and since it is 90 degrees, so cosec will change in sec and 30 degree. Okay. Come to this one, tan 210 degree. How will you find out 210 degree? कैसे हम निकाल सकते हैं? We can rewrite this tan 180 degree plus 30 degree. हम ऐसे स्प्लिट अप कर सकते हैं. नाउ वी विल सी इसको हम 270 डिग्री माइनस 60 डिग्री भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट सेम आंसर. tan 180 डिग्री प्लस थीटा में स्प्लिट अप हो गया. नाउ वी विल सी इन विच क्वाड्रेंट इट लाई. 180 डिग्री प्लस थीटा, 180 डिग्री प्लस थीटा. सो इट विल लाई इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. हमने क्या किया, 210 डिग्री को इस फॉर्म में चेंज कर दिया. tan 180 डिग्री प्लस थीटा और 30 डिग्री इट लाइज इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. एंड इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट tan and cot positive and this is tan, so it will be positive. अब 180 डिग्री पे there will be no change. So it will remain as tan 30 degree. So it means tan 200 degree is also equals to tan 30 degree. Means both the values will come as 1 by root 3. Come to this one, sec. Sec 50 degree. How will you split up? Sec 50 degree. So it will be sec 180 degree minus 30 degree. 180 degree minus 30 degree. Now, what will you see? The quadrant. सबसे पहले हमें quadrant देखना है in which it will lie. 180 minus 30 degree. 180 minus 30 degree. So it will lie in second quadrant. Second quadrant. So in second quadrant, sine and cosec positive. And this is sec. So it will be negative. ठीक है? अब 180 minus theta. In 180, there is no change. So it will remain as sec 30 degree or sec theta. So what we have tried to understand over here that सबसे पहले with the help of this concept add sugar to coffee, आपको सबसे पहले ये देखना है the degree lies in which quadrant. अब जिस quadrant में lie कर रही है accordingly we will put the positive or negative sign by observing all these things. Okay, and then we will see इनमें से कौन सी डिग्री है, whether it is 90 270 or 180 360. And then we will, if it is 90 or 270 degrees, the trigonometric terms will get changed. But if it is coming as 180 degree or 360 degree, the trigonometric ratios or the trigonometric terms will remain as same. Okay, that concept you have to remember here. Then only we can able to do 3.2 exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.